Hello?
Hello, this is Sodaphone.
Is this Sodaphone?
Yes, this is Sodaphone.
This is Sodaphone?
Yes, this is Sodaphone. May I speak with Mr. Rossi, please?
May I ask who's calling, please?
This is Sodaphone.
Okay, hold on.
Hello.
Hello, is this Mr. Rossi?
May I ask who is calling, please?
Yes, this is Sodaphone.
Is this Sodaphone?
Yes, this is Sodaphone. Is this Mr. Rossi?
Yes. Is this Sodaphone?
Yes, sir.
The phone company.
Yes, sir.
I thought you said this was Sodaphone.
Yes, sir. We are a phone company.
I already have a phone.
We are not selling phones today, Mr. Rossi.
Well, whatever it is, I'm really not interested.
Mr. Rossi, we would like to offer you 10 cents a minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year.
That's 10 cents a minute, 24 hours a day.
Yes, sir. That's right. 24 hours a day.
7 days a week.
That's right.
365 days a year.
Yes, sir.
I am definitely interested in that. Wow, that's amazing.
We think so.
That's quite a sum of money.
Yes, sir. It's amazing how it adds up.
Okay, so will you send me checks weekly, monthly, or just one big one at the end of the year for the full $52,560? If you send an annual check, can I get a cash advance?
Excuse me.
You know, the 10 cents a minute.
What are you talking about?
You said you'd give me 10 cents a minute, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. That comes to $144 per day and $1,008 per week and $52,560 per year. I'm just interested in knowing how you will be making payment.
Oh no, sir. I didn't mean we would be paying you. You paid us 10 cents a minute.
Wait a minute. Didn't you say you would give me 10 cents a minute? Are you sure this is Sodaphone?
Well, yes, sir. This is Sodaphone. But
nothing. How do you figure that by saying that you'll give me 10 cents a minute that I'll give you 20 cents a minute? Is this some kind of subliminal telemarketing scheme? I've read about things like this in the Enquirer. Don't use your alien brainwashing techniques on me.
no, sir. We are offering 10 cents a minute for...
There you go again. Can I speak to a supervisor, please?
Sir, I don't think that is necessary.
Sure, you say that now. What happens later?
What?
I insist on speaking to a supervisor.
Yes, Mr. Rossi. Please hold.
Mr. Rossi,
Yes.
I understand you are not quite understanding our 10 cents a minute program.
No. Actually, I was just waiting for someone to get back to me so that I could sign up for the plan.
Okay, no problem. I'll transfer you back to the person who is helping you.
Thank you.
Hello, Mr. Rossi. I understand that you are interested in signing up for our plan.
Do you have that friends and family thing? Because you can never have enough friends and I'm an only child and I'd really like to have a little brother.